Hello guys. So we are done sa tuang easy run. So we just run around 11.72. So nag-pace ta og 7:41 and 1:30, almost 1:30. 1 hour and 30 minutes. So easy pace lang because tomorrow is LS data. So more or less nasa mga 30 plus. Target tag 30 plus. In preparation sa tuang DC to DC. So good luck, ma'am. Lovely, because I will be her pacer. So mag-pacer ta guys ni Ma'am Lovely. Then hopefully maka sub 10, hopefully maka yung sub 10, sub 12. So mo man ang 60. Mut si cut off ano. So hopefully sub 10. Sub 10 among target nta. So see you to the DC. Pagpaningot da. Sige, bye bye.